Hey, hi everybody and welcome to the 2020 Unforeseen New Zealand Mini Motocross Champs. Man, are we excited or what? 194 riders, that's incredible. Record number of minis, and here we are with the COVID plagued year, so we've done extremely well. And for that, of course, North Harbour stepping up to the plate when it couldn't be held in our previous time. So we're great to see the effort they've put in. Man, this track is first class as well. Check it out, because the Formation Earthworks bulldozers and tractors and diggers have all been here to mould this into shape. So it's looking really primo, and you'll get an idea of just how cool this track is. And what about this for the pit setup? This the showers and the toilets and the medics and all of the food and all of the admin being done here as well. A fantastic facility, thanks to the Swensons for that. Well, it's not about me, it's all about the racing. Let's go and have some fun. This is the 2020 Unforeseen New Zealand Mini Motocross Champs. Bring it on!
Motocross is riding.
My name is Jixian and I'm 8 years old. I like Underseen because he makes really good graphics.
I'm up to 5 and 7 years old and I like jumps. My name's Levi and I ride a KTM and my favourite about the track is doing the jumps.
Hey folks, well the t-shirt's a bit dirty and yesterday we got wet as well, but I really think that added some real spice to this event because the club made all the right decisions yesterday, pulled the pin at the end of the day. It was a downpour as it had been across many parts of the country, but man have we ever had a great championship, and the club just threw everything at that. We had an early start, we got a quick riders briefing and we knocked through those one-lappers look lap, and then we got into racing proper. Everybody has still had 4 races over the 2 days, so you can't ask for more than that, many than we've had over other championships in years gone by. North Harbour Minis, great step up. 7 years ago since we were here, believe it or not. Since then we've been to Invercargill, we've been to Christchurch, we've been to Hawke's Bay, we've been all around the country. This is a fantastic championship. Look out folks, because Mini Motocross rules. Where did you first see Cody Cooper? Where did you first see Ben Townley? It happened at Mini Motocross. They rise through juniors and they come up to seniors. So the champions that you're watched here this weekend, there'll be some of those to come through in the years to come in our sport. With 195 entries, that is wicked. Where do you get those kind of numbers from? And it's supposedly a bummer year in 2020 here in New Zealand, for that matter around the world. Hey, and by the way, today we celebrated Courtney Duncan. Congratulations, Courts, absolutely inspirational. And we saw what I believe is the first time here, and that a lady won one of the premier classes. We've seen them win trail and support in the past, but we had a race win today to Hannah Peris. Congratulations, Hannah. It really added to the women's flavour of what we celebrated here with Courtney today. As well as the club raised nearly $1,000 for the Westpac Rescue Helicopter, as well as the local school feeding us lamb burgers and other quality food. There's been everything here for the fun from the kids to do, as you will see with everything. This is an ultimate family atmosphere. It's a premier event in New Zealand, and I hope everybody looks to it and says, where do they come from? Where did Daniel Medham start? Where did Avalon Biddle start? Right here at North Harbour Minis. This is the heart of our sport. 195, the sport's in good heart. We've had a great championships. Shout out to Unforeseen, just fantastic for what they've done. Why? Because they put their hand up to support Mini Motocross. They know where it grows. We love having you all here. I hope you enjoyed this fantastic coverage, and more importantly, get them behind Mini Motocross. See you later. Cheers.